Today I'm going to walk you through the basic functions and programming process for the Fossmann Dual Outlet Digital Timer. Step 1. Understanding each button and its function. The red lights indicate when the corresponding outlet is active. It's important to note that the timer locks after 15 seconds of inactivity. Simply press the minute and timer button simultaneously to unlock. The R button resets the timer. The mode button switches the outlets between on, off, and auto mode. The program button switches the timer on and off times. The clock button displays or sets the time. The timer button selects timer 1 or timer 2 outlets, or both timer 1 and timer 2 outlets at the same time. The minute button sets the minute when setting the current time or programming the timer. The hour button sets the hour when setting current time or programming the timer. The week button selects the day or days of the week. Pressing the hour and minute button simultaneously will activate daylight savings time. Pressing the week and hour button simultaneously will activate random mode. Step 2. Setting the current time and day. Hold the clock button and press the week button until the current day of the week is shown. Release the clock button to confirm. Next, hold the clock button and press the hour button until the current hour is shown. Release the clock button to confirm. Finally, hold the clock button and press the minute button until the current minute is shown. Release the clock button to confirm. Now that the clock's been set, it's time to program the timer. First, press the mode button until auto mode is selected. Then press the program button to select the on program. Press the timer button to select which outlet you want to program. In this example, I will choose timer 1. Now, let's select the days of the week we want the outlet to turn on. For example, let's have it turn on every day of the week, which is the default setting. Here is a list of all the day configurations available. Use the hour and minute button to select a desired time. Now that the on time is set, press the program button to set the off time. Then use the hour and minute button to set the time. Finally, press clock to confirm. Press program again to set up the next on time. You can set up to 8 different programs. The timer can simply be deactivated by pressing the mode button. It is important to note that any on or off slot that does not display a time is not active. Next, let's look at daylight savings mode. Press the hour and minute buttons simultaneously to activate daylight savings time. The timer will add 1 hour to the current time, and a plus 1 hour icon will appear on the screen. Simply press the hour and minute buttons again to deactivate. Finally, the random security function, or RND mode. Press the week and hour buttons at the same time to activate random mode. This mode extends the program by 2 to 32 minutes randomly. For example, if timer 1 is set from Monday to Sunday from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. with RND active, timer 1 will turn on between 6:02 p.m. and 6:32 p.m. and timer 1 will turn off between 10:02 p.m. and 10:32 p.m. It repeats the next day until it is turned off manually. When active, an RND icon will display on the screen. The RND icon will blink when random mode has started. You can turn the RND mode off by pressing the week and hour buttons at the same time. This feature is great for setting 1 to 2 lights in the house while you're away to make it look like someone is home. Here is a simple comprehensive chart to show the difference between normal timer mode and RND mode. Well, that does it for our how-to video for the Dual Outlet Digital Timer by Fossmann. Don't forget to plug in your devices. Thanks for watching.